how we can open MS Excel and how we can work on that. So firstly, for opening MS Excel, on the taskbar left hand side, click on the start button. Then you will get a menu appear there. Look for the Microsoft Office folder, search for that. When you will get that, click on that. You will get an option Microsoft Excel 2010, click on that, and after clicking on Excel you will get an interface like this. There are so many options or the components of the window which you have to know before working with the Excel. So firstly we will work with title bar that is displayed at the top of the window, and it contains two information: the name of the software and the name of the document which you are going to contain. Like here it is written as book 1. When you will save your workbook with a particular name, that particular name will be displayed there. At the bottom of the title bar there is a ribbon area, hold there. On this, at the top of the ribbon there are some options given there, like your home, insert, page layout. These are called your tabs. Below that it contains some commands buttons. These are used according to the need, and at the bottom of this, every command button having a particular name. This name is denote to a group of that particular commands. At the bottom of this there is a name box displayed there, where the name of the active cell displayed. Active cell, what is active cell? Before learning about active cell, we have to learn about cell. What is the cell? Cell is the combination of columns and rows. Columns A, B, C, D, that is vertically in vertical form, that is represented there, that is your columns, and ABC, that is considered as your column header. 1, 2, 3, that is considered as your row headers, and the intersection of these forms a rectangular box on the screen, that is known as cell. When we click on any particular cell, that cell is surrounded by a black border, and this particular cell is called your active cell, and the address of this active cell displayed always in the name box. The content of the active cell always displayed next to the name box, that is your formula bar. In formula bar you always get the content which is typed in the active cell. Suppose in this cell I have written Excel, the same content is displayed on the formula bar also. At the bottom of the screen there are sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 written there. This particular area is called your sheet tab, where the number of sheets, by default 3 sheets are present in the Excel, but then we can add more sheets and we can delete some sheets from this by using the sheet tab. There are basically 3-4 operations which we can done with the sheet tab. Firstly, how we can rename a worksheet. अगर हम किसी वर्कशीट का नेम चेंज करना चाहते हैं तो कैसे करेंगे? तो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर शीट, राइट क्लिक ऑन दैट, you will get an option rename. Click on that, the previous name will be get highlighted, and you can type your new name as you want. Like I am typing here class 7th. Then press the enter key and that particular name will be entered there. If you want to move to the next sheet, then you can click on that particular sheet and you will be moved. If you want to add new sheet, in the last of the sheet tab there is a button given there that is called your insert worksheet button. If you click on that, the new worksheet will be inserted automatically like this. You can use a shortcut for this, Shift plus F11. If you press the Shift plus F11 from the keyboard, the new worksheet will be inserted. If you want to delete any sheet, then right click on that sheet. Second option is delete there, select that, and your particular sheet will get